In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store theme. Changing your theme is one of the quickest ways to refresh the look and feel of your online store without touching any code. I'll walk you through the process from inside your Shopify dashboard, show you how to browse free themes, and then how to publish your new design when you're ready. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and basic stats. From here, we'll navigate to the part of Shopify that controls how your store looks. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find the menu and click on Online Store. This opens the section where you manage everything related to your storefront, including your current theme, theme library, and customization options. Take a second to let this page load, because this is where you'll see a preview of your current theme and any themes you've added before. On this page, look for the option that says Visit Theme Store and click on it. This will open the official Shopify theme store in a new tab. The theme store is where you can browse different designs made specifically for Shopify, both free and paid. Once you're in the theme store, we're going to focus on free options. At the top or side of the page, click on the free filter. This makes sure that all the themes you're seeing won't cost you anything to install and try. Free themes are a great starting point, especially if you're setting up a new store or testing different styles. Now, scroll through the available free themes and click on the one you'd like to add. When you click a theme, you'll see more details including example stores, different presets, and a description of what that theme is best suited for. Take your time here and choose a layout that matches your brand and the type of products you sell. When you've found a theme you like, click on Try Theme. Shopify will add this theme to your store's theme library. It doesn't replace your live theme yet. It just becomes available for you to customize and publish when you're ready. Finally, go back to your Shopify admin and open the theme section again. In your theme library, find the new theme you just added and click on Publish. Confirm that you want to publish it, and Shopify will set it as your live store theme. If you already had a theme in your library that you prefer, you can simply publish that one instead, without downloading a new theme from the store. And that's all you need to change your Shopify store theme and give your site a